Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to configure BGP configuration in Juniper router. So what's the BGP configuration? Before we know the BGP configuration, need to know the split or the IBGP split horizon rule said if you receive an update from your neighbor, you cannot advertise it to another neighbor. So in this case, we have two main solutions. The first solution to use the full mesh, but we didn't use this solution because increase the number of TCP, and we have the second solution called the root reflector, and already we explained it in the last video. Now we have the third one called the BGP configuration. So what's the idea to use the BGP configuration? So here the idea to divide the autonomous system to sub-autonomous system. Okay, as you can see here, we have the main here. The main autonomous system is 100, and we have here the 200. And already here in the autonomous system number 100, already they're divided to sub-autonomous system. Why? Because to avoid the full mesh or the solution of the full mesh. For example, here we have two routers in the sub-autonomous system 64512, and we have these two routers in sub-autonomous system 64514. So here, when we have an update from autonomous system 200, I will receive 14 and 15 network, okay, and by the IBGP here will advertise it to router number 3, okay. But if you let without any sub-autonomous system, we cannot advertise it. But here now we have a communication between two sub-autonomous system by eBGP or the external BGP. Okay, and here we have also the external BGP. So here he will advertise it, no problem, and we cannot have here the loop issue. Okay, so this is the idea about the BGP configuration. So how can I configure it? So let's start. What I did here, only the IPs. I configure already the IPs, and I configure the OSPF protocol in all these routers. Okay, so let's check here in this router. Need to configure first of all the IBGP, okay, or I mean not the IBGP. I will configure I will start with autonomous system 100. Okay, so if you do now run show root, as you can see, all root I can see it by OSPF. Okay, I can see all the route by OSPF. So what's the idea now? Now the idea, I need to configure here the sub interface on the BGP. So first of all, need to mention set protocol BGP, or before protocol need to mention the routing option. Okay, I need to mention the autonomous system. Okay, autonomous system. So here I will give the autonomous system, the sub autonomous system is 64, okay, sorry, 64512, okay, because in the sub interface sub autonomous system, sorry, we use the autonomous system private. As you know, we have the public and we have the range private. So here it's okay now. Then I will do what after that? The routing option, I will give the main autonomous system by using this command configuration. The main autonomous system is 100. Then I will mention the whole of the sub interface sub autonomous system, sorry. So we have the member here, we have 64512, and also we have 513, okay, and we have 514. Okay, this is to mention the whole sub autonomous system. After that, need to set protocol BGP. Okay, the group I will use the IBGP, not the IBGP. Let's do the group 2 sub autonomous system 64512. Okay, then type. What is the type? The type is here is internal, not external. Okay, type is internal here. And after that, need to mention my neighbor. the neighbor is so here I want to use the loopback. I will use the physical interface. So here my neighbor is 12.0.0.1. okay. In the peer autonomous system, I will mention the sub autonomous system is 64512. okay, then commit. Okay, this is for the first router. Let's move to second router. Okay, the same configuration. Set protocol, or before set routing option. Okay, routing option need to mention autonomous system. Okay, the autonomous system here, the autonomous system is 64512. okay. Also need to mention the configuration is we have the 100 and we have the member 64512 and we have the 13, we have 14. okay, then set protocol BGP group here, the group to what, to this router, I will give the name 64512. okay. Then type internal. okay, the type internal. Then need to peer, or the neighbor, my neighbor, what is it, is 12.0.0.2. okay, in the peer autonomous system 64512. okay, then I need to create new group to what, to 64514. okay, set protocol BGP group to what, to 64514. okay, type external because we use the eBGP. okay, the external BGP here. Okay, then my neighbor, what is it, the neighbor here, what is it, the neighbor is 10.0.0.1. okay, in the peer autonomous system 64514. okay, this is for my neighbor. Let's move now to the second group, the group to what, to 64513. okay, type also external. okay, and here the neighbor, what's the name, my neighbor is 11.0.0.1. peer autonomous system in the 64513. okay, then commit. So the same idea to other routers. So here need to also, we have here two group, need set protocol BGP. okay, set protocol BGP, not the protocol BGP, first of all routing option need to mention, then autonomous system here we have autonomous system 64514. then need to mention the main one, configuration is 100, and the members we have 64514 and 13 and what's 12. okay, then set protocol BGP group, we have the first group 2. let's start with this group to 64, what is it, 64514. okay, 514. Type, what is the type, is internal, and then we have the neighbor, what's my neighbor, is 17.0.0.1 in the peer autonomous system 64514. okay, then need to create new group for 64512. okay, the type, what is it, is external. okay, external type, and my neighbor, what is it, the neighbor is 10.0.0.2 in the peer autonomous system 64512. then what, then commit. okay, I think we forget something here to make neighbor from internal here. Let's let's do confirm run show configuration what protocol BGP. Okay, protocol BGP. As you know, we have the internal. It's okay. So we don't have an issue. Okay, let's now move to this router. Okay, here we have only one. Set routing option. Autonomous system. Okay, so what's the autonomous system here? We have 514. Okay, and need to mention the main. Okay, configuration is 100. Members we have 64514, 64513, and 12. Okay, then set protocol BGP group. We have the group 264,514. Okay, type what is that? Is internal. And my neighbor, what's my neighbor? The neighbor is 17,002. Okay, in the peer autonomous system 64514. Then commit. Now need to go in this router. Okay, router 2 also. Set protocol or set routing option. Okay, autonomous system here we have 64513. Okay, then we mentioned the main one, the configuration 100, members 64513, 12, and 14. Then set protocol BGP group. What's the group? The group number 1, 2, 64512, but here type is external, not internal. Also the peer autonomous system the neighbor, my neighbor is 11002. In the peer autonomous system 64512. Okay, and we have another group. The group internal is 64513. Okay, type internal. And also my neighbor, what is that? Is 16001, peer autonomous system 64513. Then what? Then commit. It's okay. Now the last router here. Set protocol or routing option autonomous system 64513. Then need to mention the main one, configuration 100, members 64513, 6412, 64514. Okay, then set protocol BGP group. So here we have only one group, the local one, 64513, type internal. And my neighbor, need to configure my neighbor is, what's my neighbor is 16002, peer autonomous system local 64513. Okay, so now let's check the BGP here. Let's go to the intermediate one to check run show BGP summary. So as you can see, all BGP are up. Okay, as you can see, all three is up with different autonomous system. This is the local this is the local one, and this is different autonomous systems. So here all are okay. Now what we will do, need to make the BGP between the external. This is the normal external BGP. So let's access to this one. Need to configure set protocol BGP. Okay, set protocol BGP. The group, what's the group? Group external BGP. Okay, type of course external, and mention my neighbor. My neighbor is here, I will use the physical interface, not the loopback interface. So here I will do 13.0.0.0.2. Peer autonomous system, what is it? Is 200. Okay, then what? Then commit. Let's do the same one in the next one. Okay, set protocol or set routing option. First of all, here autonomous system normally it's 200 because we don't have here the configuration. 200. Okay, set protocol BGP group eBGP or external BGP. Okay, the type is external. Okay, then mention my neighbor. My neighbor is 13001 and in the peer autonomous system 100. So here we'll use the main one, not the sub autonomous system. Okay, after that need to do the commit. After that need to check if the BGP external BGP is up or not by using here run show BGP summary. As you can see here, we have the BGP is up. Okay, the status is up with different or in the autonomous system 100. So now need to advertise what? Need to advertise 14 and 15. So here need to redistribute the direct direct network. So how can we do it? So need to create set policy statement. So let's do the direct. Okay, direct term 1. Okay, from protocol direct. Okay, then accept. After we create the policy, need to apply it under the BGP. Set protocol BGP group external BGP, export the direct. Okay, then commit. If you checking now in other router, in this router, if you checking now, we can see the 14 and 15 routes. Okay, if you now run show routes, as you can see here, we have new routes 14 and 15. Okay, we can see it by what? By BGP. Okay, by BGP protocol, by protocol BGP. Okay, as you can see, we can see this route by protocol BGP. Now if you checking now here in this router, if you checking here in this router, run show route protocol by BGP, so we don't have any protocol. If you do also run show route receive, what you receive protocol BGP from what? From my neighbor 12002. Okay, so I can see nothing. So what's the idea here? Need to create the next hop self in this router. Okay, in this router, if you checking now, need to configure the next hop self. How can configure next hop self? Need to create the policy, set policy statements, next hop. Let's give the names next hop. Okay, next hop. Okay, next hop, then term 1, then next hop, sorry, here next hop self. Okay, then what? Then accept. After that, where we need to apply it, so I will apply it under this sub autonomous system. Okay, under the sub autonomous system. If you checking now, set protocol BGP. Okay, set protocol BGP group. As you can see here, we have the group external BGP and we have to sub interface 6452. I will use this one, the local one. So to this one, to this BGP group. Okay, then export what? Export, we have the next hop, what? The next hop policy. Okay, if you commit now, if you checking in this router, you will see the 14 and 15 routes. Run show route protocol BGP. Okay, so now I can see the routes by BGP. As you can see here, you will see also this route 66 and 77 because we use the sub interface, sub autonomous systems. Okay, if you now checking also in this router, because now all updates from this router will send it by eBGP, okay, by external BGP. So all routers will see this network 14 and 15. If you checking now in this router, run show root protocol BGP. So here why we didn't receive. Normally we can receive. Let's now checking here, checking this router, run show root. Okay, we cannot receive. What's problem? Let's confirm here if there is problem in the BGP or not. 1 minute. Run show BGP summary. Okay, so all BGP are up. Okay, are up. So what's the issue here? Now there is no problem, just need to wait. Okay, so if you now access to router 1, okay, run show root from protocol BGP. As you can see here, I can see 55, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, also in this router, let's move to this router. Okay, run show protocol or root protocol BGP. Okay, I can see the BGP. Okay, as you can see 14 and 15. Also here, if you access to this one, run show protocol BGP or root protocol BGP. Okay, so I can see 15 and 14. Let's access to the last one, this one, run show root protocol BGP. So here why I cannot see 14, 15, it means there is problem between in this BGP neighborship. Let's now to confirm this issue. So let's access here, run show BGP summary. As you can see here, we have the active. You see, we have here the active, the status is active. So how can resolve it? Let's check our configuration if there is any problem. Show configuration protocol BGP. Okay, maybe we forget something. If you checking the 64514 group, so here we have 645 type internal neighbor. My neighbor, what is it? Is 17002. Okay, so this is the error. Here the 17002 already configured in the locally. So here we have this, the interface is 17001, not 17002. If you're now checking run show interface tours, okay, then match what? Match the interface, what is it? Interface giga 004, this one. Interface or giga 004 directly. You see these configured by 17002, and here already we do 17002. So this is our issue. So I will edit or set delete. Let's do directly delete protocol BGP group to we have 14 to 14 neighbor. My neighbor, what is it? Is 17002 per autonomous system 64514. I will delete this one and add to 17.1, and instead use delete, I will use set. Now it's okay, then commit. If you checking now if run show BGP summary is up or not, is still active. Okay, active. Normally 17001 it will be active. Yes, so now is active. This one is active already. Now if you checking the routes from this router, normally I will receive 14 and 15, no issue. Run show root protocol BGP up. Yes, exactly. So now I can receive 5, 5, 13, 14, and 15. So this is how to configure BGP configuration in Juniper router. Thank you so much for your watching and consideration. See you in the next video.